making a casserole.
Mom, they're getting nice.
Making a cave house.
I'm gonna take up my penguin. Daddy.
Can I see what you made?
I'm down.
Yeah, it is an angel.
But we're going to sit them down.
Look at it. We are experiencing a massive winter storm. It's really bad. This is the first time that we are shoveling snow. It fills up really quickly. So we are about to shovel. There goes mommy. Supposed to be snowing all day today on Sunday to tomorrow at around 1 p.m. and it's not stopping. This is the first time experiencing one of the biggest snowstorms in America. Just look at that. It's freezing cold. It's really bad. Just see the wind. If we don't shovel the snow, it's going to be quite difficult tomorrow. So you have to keep on shoveling the snow after every couple of hours. I'm about to shovel that snow. It's quite a lot. I think it's going to be having a freezing ice rain, sleet, which really makes the snow really hard. But you're going to survive it. The biggest winter storm so far.
Hi, Babu. I see you, Babu.
Happy Monday. It's still snowing, but not as much as yesterday's. So we are shoveling. It was quite a lot of snow. As you can see, it's quite a lot of snow. That's a heap of snow. It's a freezing morning. Very appreciative. We survived the massive snowstorm. Time to shovel. It's going to be the 6th time that you're shoveling snow. People are out here shoveling.
No, go that way. No, go that way. Ah! Stop! 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 Ah, that is fun.
There's a lot of snow.
Oh, you're hiding. You scared me. You were hiding. I didn't see you.
Mommy, no, I'm going here. Yeah, they are. What that could be?
Okay, give me a help now. Let me help you. Mali, you need to go. You finish, you go.
No, you have to use it.
Mali, what are you doing? I told you no eating snow, Mali. It's bad.
Mommy, art party.
Hmm?
Oh, what can you go in here?
You don't want me to come here and you're hiding. Don't eat the snow, Mali. No, it's dirty. Don't eat it. You can make a snowman if you want to.
Yeah, I like to do that.
You just want to be left alone and do some little crazy things. No, I'm not going to leave you
You
alone.
go away.
I'm not going away. I want to watch what you're doing. Yes. Done shoveling. That was quite a lot of snow. It's going to take a couple of weeks for it to melt away. But when it rains, it's a little bit faster. Yes, yeah.
I wake up to turn no.
Mali, I'm writing your name. What's a beautiful name?
I take it?
Yeah.
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 Whoa.
Mommy loves you so much.
Whoa, why do you make the heart another thing?
I'm making that because I love you. Then, and the flower. How did you know that your name means flower?
That's a very nice
You're my little flower. You're going to be very wealthy. Then Mali in Swahili means what, Mali? Wealth. In Swahili it means wealth. So Mali, my little flower, is going to be very wealthy when she grows up. Yeah? Can you come here and take a picture of you? Yeah? Don't do that, Mali. We're just from traveling days. No, don't do that. Here.
Girls, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do right here.
Okay.
No, that's a heart. I'm going right here.
Okay.
Look at it. One my foot is like that.
Okay, get up. You need to be in a flat service. Come and show you where you're going to do it.
How is it quiet?
Okay.
Look at it. I'm going to do it.
Oh, Molly. Guys, this is a lot of inches.
Yeah.
It's quite a lot of inches of snow.
Not too big, no.
Okay, you can make an angel here then. But I don't want you to fall. Come.
Okay. Yeah. That's big.
Okay, there.
Hey. Whoa. Mommy, your turn.
No.
I'm down.
You're done. Okay. Let me help you get up. Slowly. 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 Can I see what you made?
I'm down.
Yeah, it is an angel.
Well, we're going to make another angel.
Mali, this snow is so deep.
Yeah. This.
And what is this?
My dog tapping my angel.
Yeah, it's okay, Mali.
Look. Look, it's working. Alright, Mommy, hurry.
Yeah.
Whoa. I'm trying to do it.
Slowly, girl. You can make an angel there.
Huh?
Yeah. Or we go the other side. Okay, we keep on walking. I think there's.
I'm trying. Do I come again? Whoa. Mommy, that's the sticky.
Yeah, you can make an angel here.
Whoa. Done.
Again?
Done.
Okay, let me help you get up.
I just try it by myself.
You are going to spoil it. Just stay like that. Give me your hand. Slowly, let mommy help you. Slowly. Get up slowly. Don't do anything. Okay. You did it. Okay, check what you did.
Whoa, the angel.
Hi.
Listen to that angel. Oh, let's make the doorbell. Hey, we'll make the doorbell.
Not normally.
Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. That's the thing. I just did this house here.
Yeah, you in the army. What are you doing?
I gotta go over there.
Just stand and walk.
I gotta go over there.
Mali, are you crawling? Get up, please.
Look, hey, Mommy. I don't know if we get up. I got up. Yeah, I
Mali, that's it. Get up.
Unusual storm.
Yeah.
And this salt, I mean, if she ate a little bit of snow, it's not going to hurt her back here.
Yeah.
I don't want to eat too much.
Yeah.
Hey, Molly, are you looking for the polar bear?
Yeah.
Okay. See, let me know if you find it.
No, I'm sitting down.
I got you.
You scared me.
I scared you.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
sorry.
fell down.
Until you fell down.
No, I scared you too. You're the road down too. I scared
You need help.
No, I'm gonna try to do it.
You can just stand, Mali. You can walk. It's not that deep. Just walk.
How to do it?
Okay, you can make another snow angel there. Just get up. Let me help you.
How to do it?
Let me help you. Don't crawl, please.
How to do it?
Slowly. Just walk slowly. I know it's deep. A girl is really enjoying herself. There is quite a lot of snow. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of today's vlog. Come, Molly. It's still snowing, just a little. Very cold. Yes. There is one little angel.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this is make the snowball. This is make the snowman. The snowman.
Snowball, Molly, not now. But you can make small snowballs.
Whoa, why to do that?
Do you know how to write your name?
Molly,
Right here.
Molly,
Mm-hmm.
Tyler.
That's it. Today we are not going to work. And there's no school. Because of the snow. It was quite a lot of snow. Yes. Molly fell down. Okay, get up slowly. We go back in the house. Come here. Well, time to go to the house.
Mom, you have to cut me the cat. Because
You can't run here, Mali. Just walk slowly. Can you give me a... Let me help you. Give me your hand. Come here. Slowly. If you don't want to shovel the snow, you hire people to shovel it for you. Yes? Come we go. Just once, Mali. Right. First, we did it by ourselves. I do think we did an amazing job. Hii snow haikuwa mchezo. Oh, this is like 12 to 13 inches of snow. I've never seen something like this before. Our neighbor didn't shovel the snow. I think they're going to hire someone to do that. This is salt. Just to melt the snow. We are just strolling around the neighborhood to check how things are. Before this snow melts, going to check a while. He's shoveling snow to get his car out. This is a total mess. If you don't shovel or remove snow from your front yard or from your cars, you get a fine here in Connecticut. So people have to shovel. If someone falls on the sidewalks, on your sidewalk, and you have not shoveled the snow, they can sue you. So it's a must for you to shovel snow or hire people to do that.
I'm fine, Mommy. I'm just trying to do it.
Okay.
I get it.
Oh my God, look at that car. It's covered. The owner has to do a lot of work to remove that snow.
Yo, it's so exciting.
His name's Harvey.
Say hi.
Have a good one.
Okay, you too. Just look at that. Now it's really difficult to shovel the snow because imekuwa kama maji, it's so hard. Can you stop, man? You walk.
No boat to Georgia.
A lot of people are not going to work today.
Georgia!
Mom!
Georgia! Mommy's talking to you. Mommy's talking to you.
Back! Papa. Oh! Those are coming to shovel the snow here. Well, I'm making a lot of money today. You see, they started shoveling. We're going to make a lot of money. That's the city. we're going to walk on the road because the snow is not removed there. It's quite deep. Quite deep. Anyone manifesting to come to America, may your dream come true, because these are the problems that you are facing in winter. Someone just got stuck. They had to call the fire department to come and help them. This is so serious. Look at this car. It's cold. Oh, so hard. Time for some snow play.
Okay.
Let's stop it off together.
Okay. Now pat the snow down, okay? Hard, yeah. Really hard. Yes.
Whoa! Wow!
Okay, now the
That's
top.
my turn.
Yeah, but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use your pail, and then we're gonna put the. This is gonna make like a top on these things. So you fill your pail up. Let's go. Over here.
Look at that baby.
You fill the pail.
Yeah, Papa, you do hear me do here. That's better, not bigger.
Now you want to pat it down. Go ahead.
Paddy, 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 paddy. Paddy, 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 paddy.
Okay, make it a little bit tighter, okay? We can put a little more snow in now.
No,
Yeah. Look there.
because that's bigger.
Okay, I'm gonna do the first one, then you do the next one. So now
Your turn.
we're gonna put. This is gonna be just an experiment. See if
That's
it
my
works.
Java. Look, that's my Java. That's my bucket.
Ah. We're making buildings. Okay, your turn.
The place is no more my bucket.
It's okay to put snow in your bucket. Okay, now we gotta carefully put it on the center. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
Together. Okay, we do it together. We go slowly down. And turn it.
Going down.
Okay. And put it like that. And press it down a little bit.
Wow!
Okay. Good, huh?
Those are just thick.
Now we need a flag. Right?
Wait, find the flag.
Right here. We got a flag. Here's a flag.
Flower,
you
that's a
put,
flower.
well, we're going to pretend it's a flag. Because we don't have a real flag. So you want to put that flag in?
Hey, I had to put Mommy Daddy's house.
Nice. See?
That one here?
Yeah, yeah. You gotta put another one.
The Diaz.
Here you go.
Thank you. That is a lucky flag. Yeah!
Wow.
Hey, Bubba.
But now, we're gonna put some walls in because we make the wall here.
Sorry, Bubba. Well,
Nice. Wow. We're making a castle.
hey, on a minute. Did it get rainbows?
Yeah. What do you want to do now? What's next?
Did it put? I don't know. Whoa, come on, Bubba. I'm gonna tell you.
Where are we going? We're gonna do a snowman, but we need something to get started with. Come.
I get the cowboy nose. Bubba.
We'll make the snowman looking at the tower. Come.
Cowboy nose. Okay. Come in. I'm making the head.
Flaky for this, but we'll try.
Bob, I did it.
Okay. Is
I'm
that the
making-
snowman body?
Hmm.
We could make that the body.
Yes. Happy. I can get the this. Bigger. Whoa.
It's not too bad for. It's kind of a different kind of
Bubble.
snowman.
Here is an anthill. There you have the snowman. You have a castle. Molly, what are you making?
The unicorn.
Okay.
Mom, they're getting nice.
And what is Shushu making? What are you building, Shushu?
They're
Making
my
a
house.
cave house.
They're my house.
Cave house, you go hide inside.
There's a big tank. I'm going in here. I'm gonna get up my penguins. Daddy, you're going, Mommy going, Baba going. Or just go our house like that. One more time.
Then we lock the door.
That's so tiny. One time I'm going in here.
Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.